My Bentley workshop manual has arrived to help me demystify the electrical wiring system for the Karmann Ghia. Not as clear as I'd hoped for. Everything is coded, so I'll have to reference it on the opposite side. No actual colours referenced here either. And from how you work on it, seems to be upside down. Oh dear. So to help me decipher this mystery, I'm cleaning the painted wires so I can see what I'm working with. My initial feeling is that the front wiring loom was replaced, but the old one was left here just to help confuse me. I'll split the cover of the wiring loom so I can confirm my suspicions. The VW wiring has a specific method to it. We have solid coloured wires, striped wires, and dashed wires. With the headlight removed, I can see 3 wires, all solid colours, white, yellow and brown. And tracing the brown, I can see it's used as the earth wire. The Fusebox is located under the front hood. It has 8 fuses, and I worked out that the solid yellow wires are for the low beam lights, and the white solid wires were for the high beam lights. So for the parkers and indicators, there is a light tan and black with stripes at the front, and in the rear we have a similar colour combination. I worked out that the tan coloured wires are the parkers. The front is solid tan and the rear has the tan with red for the right hand side and the tan with black for the left hand side. The front has the darker brown wire earthed into the housing of the indicator. The left hand side had the earth wire but nowhere to connect to. I changed the end so I can use it to earth it to the bolt hole. The indicator stalk has 3 wires coming out of it. Left and right indicator lights and the indicator relay which connects to the positive wire to the fuse and to the indicator dash light. The left indicator uses black and white wires, while the right uses black and green wires. The car didn't have an indicator relay when I got it, so I've used the standard 2-prong relay and it's working well. The brakes were fairly straightforward. They used the same black and red wire for all connections. And as the switch is activated with sufficient pressure from the master cylinder, I wasn't able to confirm my brake lights because I have to redo my brakes next.